Hello there, welcome to Nana's channel, which is all about sewing from beginners to advanced. Now today, this pattern we're done, okay? It is all done. It's hanging behind me. But before I show it to you, I made some samples of how to put the placket together. This will also help the beginners because this is more from intermediate to advanced. But to help beginners, I make some samples. So I'm going to walk you through step by step. I think it will be better if I bring the camera down and then I walk you through it step by step. So hold on and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I hope you can see it. Okay, first of all, I pinky sheared my ends. So that's not part of sewing your placket. I just did that to stop my fabric from fraying. Okay, so now step one, you see your slash line for starting your placket. From 2 inches you baste and then across and you baste up. That's the beginning of your placket. Second step, draw in your angle of slashing after sewing. Okay, on your left hand side, you sew your first placket. Okay, this is particularly exactly like my blouse. The only difference is that I didn't put the pleats in, but the pattern has a pleat. So you sew your left hand side placket and then you snip your angle. Good. And then before you sew down the basting, you slip your angle. I feel like I'm all over the place. Okay. Now, so now you stitch your facing down into the groove. Do I have the right one? And then you stitch your right hand side placket. This is the example of my blouse placket. Okay, and then you follow the same thing as you did this, but you stop at where you snip the corners. You stop there and you leave this out. Okay, good. And then after that, then you stitch this down. This standard flap, you stitch it down. Okay, so this is how the wrong side looks like. There. Oh, but I forgot to tell you one thing. After you stitch this, the right hand side, make sure the angle, the triangle, because you're gonna snip this side too, so you will have a piece of triangle here, and then you bring that to the right side with your left placket, and you stitch it across, and this is what it gives you on the wrong side of the dress or blouse or sleeve, wherever you're sewing the placket. And then you continue as I showed you before. I hope you get it because I feel like I'm everywhere. Okay, so that's the wrong side. Now this is another design, a different design. Okay, and this is the wrong side. Okay, so I hope it's clear to all of you. Now that part is done. Let me bring the blouse down, and then Okay. Everything is done with the buttons in the front, and the sleeve with the roll-up tab is also done. And you know about the pocket and all that. And this is without rolling the tab. It's also done. So everything is done. And then the front. The front, you have 3 buttons, but the top one, you don't close it. You leave it open at all times. Okay, so this is all done. Now, about the books, gifts that I'm gonna give out. This is for my subscribers only. Go on my channel and comment on any of my videos. And then next week, I'll pick up the winners. Okay, so go to my YouTube videos and comment on any of my videos, and then I'll pick up the winners next week, and then we'll continue from there. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Happy sewing, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.